Okay, today we have a moose down the camp from us. He looks so close because we are looking at him through the spotting scope. It's a young bull. I don't really know how old he is. He just has some nubby horns. He's just starting to get his horns back. And scratching his head. That is a weird looking creature.
Oh, there he goes. He's had enough. He's cooled off, I guess.
Well, he's nibbling.
He just nibbling. It's a big old creature, I tell you. I had one about 10 foot in front of me, and that was close enough.
No, thank you. Look at his big old butt. There he goes. There's his beard.
How cool is that? He's a young one. See his little beard?
Mm-hmm.
He's a teenager.
Oh.
Shit, he's coming over here now.
No, he's just walking across.
Oh, he's going across. You need to be careful. He might walk the river up. Yeah.
No, he's going the other way.
Okay.
Going back where he came. He's going the same way he came. Look at that. What a weird creature. It looked like a horse that got stung in the face by a bee. Oh, oh. Oh, wow, he's swimming.
He is swimming. Wow, that got deep right there. Wow.
Oh, I lost him.